Let's go straight across now to CNN News 18. Pallavi Ghosh for more on this. Pallavi, very interesting to hear the Home Minister Amit Shah's very strong rebuttal, no holds bar interview that he has given to CNN News 18 and unequivocally stating that his government or the Prime Minister or the BJP for that matter will never ever allow quota for SC, ST, OBCs to be given to Muslims in the name of religion.
So what the BJP is asking is that you had a Rajiv Gandhi, for example, always talking about a casteless society. What is it that his son is forgetting now all this about? Why is it just on the threshold of the Lok Sabha elections? Suddenly the Congress's manifesto plus Rahul Gandhi are talking about reservations, increasing the quota from 50% for the backwards and for the Dalits and so on and so forth. And according to the BJP, so there are two narratives over here. The Congress sees this as a fight for the backwards and the downtrodden and not a kind of a corporate-friendly, pro-rich party like the BJP. But on the other hand, the BJP's counter to this is that, we believe in one nation, one poll. If you heard, we believe in one nation, one law. In fact, if you listen to what the Home Minister has told exclusively to us, he talks about a revocation of Article 370, which in a sense has brought the Jammu and Kashmir into one common thread running across the country. And so many other laws, for example, triple talaq, where everyone is kept in mind, every section is kept in mind, and this government does not differentiate between people on the basis of caste, creed or religion, and thereby it doesn't want to talk about any more increased reservation.
Yes.
So quota reservations has now become the latest battle line between the two sides.
Oh, interesting. Arunima is also with us. Arunima, he also slams the Congress party, takes a swipe at them for giving OBC reservations to Muslims. He that reference in that interview about how the Congress party has given OBC reservations to Muslims in Karnataka, saying the constitution doesn't allow reservation based on religion.
Yes, he did. And he said, and a specific question was asked to him, that where is this narrative coming out from that Congress is going to hand over reservations that are due to SCs, STs and OBCs, take that away from them and give it to the Muslims. So Amit Shah, Home Minister of the country, says that it stems from former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh's statements. Of course, the Congress party and the India Front leaders have tried to underline that if you're speaking of Karnataka, this was a decision taken when Deve Gowda was at the helm of affairs there, and they're trying to also underline that Deve Gowda is an alliance partner of the Bharatiya Janata Party now. But Home Minister Amit Shah maintaining that what was said by Dr. Manmohan Singh and what we have seen in Karnataka and possibly in Andhra is the model that Congress wants to follow throughout the country.
Absolutely. And, Aman Sharma is also with us. Aman, just taking from where Arunima had left, the Home Minister making it very clear, something which we have heard the Prime Minister doing so as well, making a very strong assertion and reiterating that the BJP would neither remove reservation for SC, ST, OBCs and nor it would allow the Congress to do so.
Well, yes, see, the BJP has been very clear about this. Mr. Amit Shah is now putting this on record that, BJP will never give up reservation. The Prime Minister has also said this earlier. The Defence Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, has also said this very clearly, that BJP is all for reservation. There will be no tinkering with the basic structure of the Constitution. BJP, the narrative from the opposition has been that they are asking for this 400 par. The NDA is asking for 400 par because they want to end reservations. This has been strongly contested from the BJP side that there is no such plan at all. All the top leaders of the party and the Prime Minister, no less, have clearly spelled it out that there is no plan to finish reservation in the country. On the other hand, Mr. Amit Shah also making it clear, and the Prime Minister in the interview to News 18 also made it very clear that Muslim reservations is something which is not there in the Constitution. In our Constitution, there is no basis of giving reservation on the basis of religion, and the BJP is very clear about it. Prime Minister, the Home Minister now, Mr. Amit Shah, when the Defence Minister interviewed to us earlier, clearly said that Muslim reservation is something which is alien to our Constitution. It will never happen.
Right, Aman. Just excuse me for interrupting you. I just have to take a quick reaction from Mr. Pramod Tiwari from the Congress Party. Mr. Tiwari, thanks so much for speaking to us on CNN News 18. We've just been hearing an excerpt of that exclusive interview given by the Home Minister Amit Shah, where he has categorically attacked your party for giving OBC reservations on the base of religion. In fact, he has even taken the example of Karnataka, how the Congress party has given OBC reservations to Muslims in the state of Karnataka. How do you respond?
देखिए मैं इस पे बहुत साफ कर देना चाहता हूँ
जी।
अभी तक दौर था इन्होंने जितनी संवैधानिक संस्थाएं थी उनको खत्म किया। जितनी भी संवैधानिक संस्थाएं थी वो उनको खत्म किया, जितनी एजेंसीज थी।
कैसे आप उदाहरण दे सकते हैं, कौन से संस्थाओं ने बीजेपी ने खत्म कर दिया है?
देखिए, जैसे ईडी
जी,
सीबीआई, इनकम टैक्स, दे आर नॉट वर्किंग इंडिपेंडेंटली। वो स्वतंत्र रूप से नहीं काम कर रही हैं। वो पूरी तरीके से जिस तरह 96% अपोजिशन पे अटैक कर रही है, तो कुछ और बाकी रह गया बताने के लिए। जिस तरीके से लोग बार बार इलेक्शन कमीशन की शिकायत करते हैं, मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन पे कोई इल्जाम नहीं लगाना चाहता, पर लोगों का जैसा विश्वास है, तो वो अपनी जगह। लोकसभा राज्यसभा के लिए आपने ये कर दिया कि अगर आपका कोई बिल नहीं पास होता तो 146 एमपीज को आप बाहर करके अपने बिल पास करा लेंगे। ये सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को इन्होंने समाप्त किया। अब इनका मन बढ़ गया। मैं 4 एमपीज का नाम ले रहा हूँ। अयोध्या से लल्लू सिंह जी ने कहा हम संविधान बदलेंगे। ज्योति मिर्धा जी ने राजस्थान से कहा। कर्नाटक से जिस तरीके से इनके एमपी पूर्व मंत्री ने
वो तो तिवारी जी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने ऑलरेडी आकर क्लैरिटी दे दिया है कि बल्कि आरोप आपके पार्टी पर है कि आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं, आप जो है गलत इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं। जी जी, श्योर प्लीज
आस्क द क्वेश्चन, देन लिसन टू मी। मैं सिर्फ एक चीज कह रहा हूँ कि इन चारों के खिलाफ क्या कोई एक्शन हुआ? अब मुझे ये बताएं, क्या इस बयान को कंट्राडिक्ट कर सकते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी? झारखंड में जब बिहार का चुनाव चल रहा था, शिविर में आरएसएस चीफ बोले थे कि हम अब विचार करना होगा, ये मैं उनके वर्ड बता रहा हूँ, कि विचार करना होगा कि जो ये रिजर्वेशन है ये पुनर्विचार इस पर किया जाना चाहिए। एक लंबे दौर तक हो गया। क्या इन्होंने कोई उनसे प्रतिवाद किया, उनकी खिलाफत की? तो इस तरह साइलेंट ये सब बातें जब उल्टी पड़ रही
The acquisition, Manoj ji, against your party is that it is your party that is encouraging this trend of giving reservations on the basis of religion. Prime Minister and Amit Shah both have attacked your party, saying that you are the one who is promoting this, you are the one who is giving reservation on the basis of religion. You are the one, your party is the one जो मतलब संविधान को चेंज कर रहे हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की जो बेसिक सेकुलर फैब्रिक है वो आप उसको ऑल्टर कर रहे हैं, आप चेंज कर रहे हैं।
हमने कब कहा हम संविधान बदलेंगे? ये
नहीं, रिजर्वेशंस की जो बात है, रिजर्वेशंस की जो बात है,
अब छोड़िए, इन सब बातों को छोड़िए। अब तो देखिए हालात क्या है ना, हमने कहा है ना, हम बदलने जा रहे हैं धर्म के आधार पे, जाति के आधार पे। हम जरूर जनगणना की बात कर रहे हैं, ये बात हमने कही है और उस पर हम स्टैंड लेते हैं कि जाति गणना होनी चाहिए, एक सिरे होना चाहिए। इस पर हम साफ बात करते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री बोल जाते हैं मंगल सूत्र गिरवी रखेंगे, कहाँ है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, कहाँ हमारे घोषणा पत्र में है? तो ये तो प्रधानमंत्री जी आज बोल गए हैं कि इंडिया पार्टनरशिप पे चल रही है पाकिस्तान के साथ। अभी थोड़ी खुद गए थे बिना बुलाए, शादी में अटेंड किया था, उनके माँ के सामने झुक गए थे और बुला के आए थे पार्टनरशिप में कि आओ और मुआयना करो हमारे सबसे ज्यादा जो प्रैक्टिकल रूप से सेंसिटिव एयरपोर्ट था।
ऑलराइट।
और पार्टनरशिप आपकी, इल्जाम दूसरों पे लगाएंगे। हारता हुआ चुनाव देख के इतनी झूठी बातें प्रधानमंत्री बोल रहा है।
All right, Pramod Tiwari, thank you so much for joining us. So Pallavi, that's what the Congress has been alleging, that the BJP is, intending to tamper with the Constitution. It's the BJP that wants to alter the basic constitutional ethos of our country. And as you just heard, Pramod Tiwari, they feel very strongly about this.